There's one feature that the Neo is supposed to have but that didn't work properly at launch, and that's flying backwards while tracking the user from the front. DJI just released a new firmware for the Neo, version 01.00.0200, and as well as now saying this every time I turn it on when it's not a bright sunny day,
fly in well-lit, textured environments.
It's supposed to improve the tracking too. So I updated and did a bit more testing, and here's how it went. So I can't say I've seen much improvement, if any, when tracking from the front. Walking still kind of works, but it rarely stays in front. It always veers out to one side to some degree. Anything faster than walking is still a no-go. So for now we're limited to tracking from behind. I think DJI will solve this eventually. It might just take a few more updates. This is just the world we live in now, where products are released unfinished, and we are all just unpaid beta testers for the tech companies. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.